the door.
You slammed the door. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another vlog here on the DW60 channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. It's like 100 degrees here.
And 110% humidity.
Yeah, it's bad. It's terrible, but we're not doing too bad though. Even though it's been raining a little bit, stuff like that. Anyway.
A little bit.
Well, yeah.
We had flash flooding today.
Oh, was it that bad?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, we're headed out to dinner, and figured we'd do something. Something I think we'd never really done before, actually.
But they do it in Vogue.
Yeah, they do it in Vogue. So I figured what we would do is, some of you don't really know who we are at all. You've never heard of DW60 over on Sorcerer Radio or anything else like that. And so I figured we would do a, kind of like get to know us type of vlog. And so it's 50 questions about us. And we're going to start with Nicole.
With me.
Yep.
I don't know any of these questions. Jeff wrote them up. So
I think I wrote some pretty good ones. I will say. I think I did. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to keep this on you. Let me get my piece of paper out here. If it's a little shaky, it's because we're driving. The stabilization on this phone isn't the greatest, but it's better than nothing. Okay. So, all right. So 50 questions with Nicole.
with me.
Here we go. Where do you live?
In Mississippi.
Okay. What was the first thing you thought of this morning when you got up?
Did I oversleep for my doctor's appointment?
What do you do for work?
I basically do a lot of stuff at a hair salon, and sometimes that includes hair.
Okay, all right. Where do you wish you could live?
Not in Mississippi.
Oh, wait. Mississippi's not all that bad.
It's not. In Florida.
In Florida? Any
Yeah.
specific spot in Florida? That's a bonus question.
I'd say within an hour of the parks.
Oh,
Anywhere
okay.
in like that radius.
Okay, so you brought up the parks. How many times have you been to Walt Disney World?
I've lost count.
You've lost count. Okay.
In the last, let's see, when did I start going to Disney World? It was 2019. So in 8 years, I've probably been a couple hundred times, I'd say.
Wow. That's a lot.
It's a lot.
That's a lot. What is your dream vacation?
My dream vacation right now would probably just be a Disney cruise.
A Disney cruise. Okay. What is your dream job?
My dream job? Oh. Gosh, I don't know. Something where I could work from home, probably.
Mm-hmm.
If I didn't have to like get up and get ready for work every day, that'd be nice.
Now, working from home is kind of gives you your own schedule, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And something with social media.
Okay. All right. What is your Disney dream job?
My dream Disney job? I want to be those people when you walk in the gates with the Mickey gloves that wave at everybody.
And that's the only thing you want to do, just wave at people all day. That's another bonus question.
Or work in an office somewhere. I think that would be that'd be fun to see the backside of Disney.
So, okay, you're getting gas?
I'm getting gas real quick.
All right. Okay, so she's getting gas. Well, there she is. All right, so what's your favorite Disney park music?
Tomorrowland or Future World loops.
What is the worst Disney song?
Oh, Blood on the Ground from the Country Bears.
You really don't like that
I
one?
don't like it.
Most people would say Small World.
Texas, yeah, I don't like that one either.
I love Texas.
Nope. But Blood on the Ground, definitely.
Blood on the Ground. Okay. Let's see. Favorite movie genre?
I don't watch a lot of movies.
But you got to pick one.
Comedy.
Comedy? Okay. Favorite Disney movie?
Toy Story.
What?
Does Pixar count? Pixar counts.
Pixar counts.
Yeah,
Yeah, because it's
Story.
part of Disney, so that counts. Okay. What was your first job?
My first job
Mm-hmm.
was at a zoo working with camels.
Camels.
Yep.
Okay. Do you have any type of a phobia?
Phobia?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like feet at all.
Okay, so, yeah. So, little bonus here. She will not touch anybody else's feet other than her own.
Nope.
No matter what, it does not matter. I've had days where, even after Disney, and I've already washed my feet, taken a shower or a bath and everything else, I'm like, oh, please, would you just rub my feet just a little bit? And she's like, nope, that's not going to happen. I'm not touching your feet. So, okay, so we're going to have to do it this way. All right. Let's see. What are you allergic to?
What am I allergic to? Benzoyl peroxide?
Interesting.
And I guess that's really it.
Okay.
Right?
I don't know.
Am I missing anything?
I have no idea what you're allergic to, actually. That's not exactly a good thing if she's like allergic to nuts or milk or anything. It's probably something I should know. We're getting married, but...
Oh, there's a train coming.
Oh, train coming. All right. Okay, so we had to deal with the train. There it goes. Can't hear anything with a train going by. Okay, so we left off with phobias.
Phobias, feet.
Phobias, can't do feet.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. What are you allergic to? We went through that one. Okay. Do you have any sisters or brothers?
I have one brother, and we're 8 years apart.
8 years. That's quite a bit.
So his
Apart.
high school graduation and our wedding is the same week.
Okay, cool. That's nice to know.
Yeah.
All right. Did you do any sports in high school?
I did. I played volleyball. I played soccer. I ran track, and I played 4 years of lacrosse.
Wow. I don't know much about lacrosse. I know stuff about soccer, but lacrosse, is it kind of like soccer?
Kind of, but in the air.
Okay.
I played goalie, and I broke one bone.
That was the next question. Have you ever broke any bones?
I've broken my ankles, and I broke this bone in my hand. This side? I think it was this hand. Because catching a shot. High school girls can throw freeway speeds.
Wow. What's your favorite restaurant?
In Disney?
No, just in general.
Oh. I want to say Papa Murphy's.
Papa Murphy's?
Yeah.
A pizza place is your favorite?
I do love pizza. Or there's a little Mexican restaurant by my parents' house called Vuelva a la Vida. It's delicious.
Wait, it's called what again?
Vuelva a la Vida.
Velveeta or
Nope. Vuelva. Vuelva.
Okay, next question. All right, so, okay, favorite Disney restaurant?
Oh, Beer Garden.
Beer Garden? I was surprised. I thought you were going to say Boma.
Nope.
Okay. Oh, golly.
Train tracks.
Train tracks.
That's where the train was.
Yep. Okay, so Disney nighttime show or Disney parade?
Gosh. I'd say parade.
Okay. Favorite Disney attraction?
Haunted Mansion.
What's your favorite sports team?
I'd say the Seattle Seahawks.
Where would you like to travel?
Greece.
Why Greece? Bonus question.
It looks pretty.
It looks pretty. Good enough. All right. Favorite food?
Pizza.
Favorite candy?
Chocolate covered raisins.
Interesting.
Is that a candy? I think it's a candy.
I think that's considered. I would say that's probably a candy.
It's in the candy aisle.
It is in the candy aisle. So yeah, I'll count that as being a candy. Okay, good enough. Favorite chip?
Cool Ranch Doritos.
Worst Disney parks experience?
Getting food poisoning from the quick service in Japan.
best Disney park experience?
So besides you proposing to me,
I was hoping she was going to say that.
besides that, being the Grand Marshals in the Festival of Fantasy Parade.
Oh, that was last year at the bachelorette party with Caitlin and Jen and Jessica
and all of them. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Future Disney experience you want to have?
California Grill Brunch.
Ooh, that's a good one. Pricey, but a good one. Very good. Okay. Favorite Disney character?
The Toy Story aliens.
I'm really shocked she has said this because
Can I give a top 3?
No, it can be only one.
Okay, honorable mention.
Okay, honorable mention. That's fine.
Snow White and Mike Wazowski.
I was because anytime she sees something Snow White, yeah, okay. See, exactly. Okay, good enough. What is your favorite social media? I'm sorry. Who is your favorite social media influencer?
Oh goodness. Lex. She's at the Pixie Traveler on Instagram.
Who is your favorite Disney influencer?
Lex.
Okay. Lex, you got 2, so be happy. Okay. All right. Instagram or Snapchat?
Instagram.
Facebook or Twitter?
Facebook.
How would you describe your upbringing?
Fun.
Who was your role model growing up?
Oh man, that's a hard one. Gosh.
Lots to choose from.
Erin Andrews.
Oh, from Fox Sports, ESPN.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Is that still true today?
No, not anything to do with her. I just really wanted at the time to work in sports media.
Yeah.
So I really liked Erin Andrews. So no, it's not true today.
Okay. What's the one thing you always have to do while at Disney World?
Go to Magic Kingdom.
What's the biggest misconception about Disney park vacations?
That it's for children.
That's a really good one. Bonus question. Why do you say that?
Because we go all the time.
Right.
Neither of us have any children. We have gone with children, and
Right.
it was great and
Right.
awesome. But as an adult, I enjoy it so much.
Okay. Are you a fast or slow-paced vacationer at Disney World?
Fast.
Favorite Disney snack?
Jalapeno cream cheese stuffed pretzels.
Favorite Disney drink?
That one's hard. Grapefruit beer.
Ooh. This is why I am marrying her. This is the reason why, because that's my favorite Disney drink. Okay. All right. So, favorite item to take into the Disney parks?
A fun purse.
Biggest Disney pet peeve?
When people stop in the middle of the road, like when you're walking.
Does that not get on your nerves? Oh my gosh. Okay. What's your worst habit?
My worst habit? Forgetting what I'm doing.
Ever been on a Disney cruise?
I have not.
What is your Disney must-do?
You already asked me this. What do I have to do every time I go to Disney?
Okay, well, let me rephrase it. What is your Disney must-do for everybody else?
Oh, okay. Ride Spaceship Earth.
Ooh. Another reason why I'm marrying her. It's like my favorite Disney attraction. Okay. What is your most treasured Disney item?
Oh, man. That one's hard.
Because I know you have a lot of stuff.
Yeah. Okay. I have the same item, but 2 of them are special. So, one are my 50th anniversary gold ears from Disneyland.
Okay.
And the other one are my Grand Marshal ears. When we were Grand Marshals in the parade, they gave us a Mickey ear hat that says Grand Marshal embroidered in the back.
Oh, okay. All right. That sounds pretty special.
Ear hat.
Yeah.
But those two.
Okay. All right. Last question. Want to do another 50 questions?
Yeah. I like this.
I don't have another 50 questions to give her, but those are pretty good questions just to get to know who you are.
Why don't y'all drop questions in the comments below?
Good idea.
And we'll do another video.
That's right. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work fine. So there you go. 50 questions with Nicole, getting to know her a little bit better. And I guess we'll do one with me later on. Whatever question she comes up with.
I'm going to have to think of some good ones.
Because I did not tell her what these questions were. I just kind of wrote them up at work one day. And I didn't show it to her or anything else. So I just wanted to get her, most genuine reaction, stuff like that. So, how were they?
They were good.
Yeah? They were good questions? Okay. All right, good. All right. So I guess that's it. Where are we heading now?
Olive Garden.
Olive Garden.
Soup, salad, and breadsticks.
Soup, salad, and breadsticks is what we're headed for right now. But for you guys, we appreciate you watching. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And, like Nicole said, if you have any questions for us, just to get to know us, or if you have Disney questions or anything else, put them in the comments below. And we'll be happy to answer those in the comments or on another video or anything else. Anything else?
Nope.
No? Okay. Well, that's it.
We'll see you real soon.
Have a hot dog day.